Hello and welcome to the first vlog in a very long time, because all these other commitments that I had are now done. So I'm actually here. It's my first time since 2020, so it was before I was making videos, and it's Ocean Beach, which is in South Shields. It's been like 5 years. It doesn't seem like that long, but it has been 5 years. And yeah, it was because it was in the summer between lockdowns, but it was still very affected by that. Although it was kind of, I did come here and I went to Warrington. That was like all I could do that year, because I mean, most people really struggled to do much. But yeah, it's now 5 years later and I'm back, and there's a lot of change. Some very good. Ghost Train, brand new. So video. Although I didn't do the old one. I didn't do Ghost Trains at the time, and I didn't do the old one. And I kind of regret it because it was pretty terrible, and it was now known as the worst dark ride still in existence in the country. Now the Brer Rabbit train's gone. But that was left abandoned, and now even more so with Oakwood being shut. The Ghost Hunt here, the facade was repurposed into a new Ghost Train, which is Zombie. So that's a new dark ride. There's also a new coaster, because they had 3 coasters last time I came. The Caterpillar, which I haven't seen. I don't know if it is actually here or not, although apparently it is, but I think there's only 2 coasters here currently. You've got the new spinning coaster for this year, which has replaced Crash Test, which was the old spinning coaster. Different manufacturer, but it's the same model. It's spaced in a different way for some reason as well. I don't know if that was because of like the noise or something, but yeah, it's the same layout. But yeah, they've moved it here. And also the log flume. They used to have an old log flume, a custom layout one, and sadly it's been replaced with a bigger but standard layout revision, which I'm a little bit disappointed about, but I will do it because I need the water on a hot day. There's plenty of other rides that have been here for years. Breakdance is a new one, so I will do it. Like, I think it looks alright. The cycle doesn't look too long, which I'm glad, because to be honest, I think it's just extreme weather. I'm not that great on rides, but it should be alright, because I've done like gyro swings and stuff, so it's more the cold that's worse. But yeah, like, I'm just looking forward, because it's been a while. But yeah, there's another coaster here, like I said, the Speedy Coaster. I don't think the other one's here, the Caterpillar. It's a shame because it's on RCDB, and that was I think that may have been my first coaster. It was either that or a travelling mine train. But that was my first on-ride photo that I ever got on that Caterpillar. So it will be nice if it's here, but I can't see it, so I don't think it's here. But yeah, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna do the Ghost Train first. There's a walkthrough here that I've never done as well. And then obviously I'll do some of the other rides. I might do the breakdance penultimate. I'll just kind of build up, and obviously I'll do the log flume last. Because these revision ones can be a bit hit or miss how wet you get. But yeah, I'll just kind of build up and do some of the flat rides. I'm not too bothered about the funfair rides, but I might do them. Apart from obviously the breakdance and the gyro swing. But these waltzers and stuff, I'll do the Sizzler because it's a proper vintage one. But waltzers, Matterhorn, I'm not that bothered, but I probably will do them because I'll have extra credits. I don't think it's spinning slots for some reason, but here we go. Yeah, it's sometimes they glitch like this. Unless it'll lock down there, I don't know. Here we go. Backwards for some reason. Oh. time. It's because the balance isn't quite.
Not that bad actually.
It's normally this bit. Chop it! Oh! Stop! See the rattle of it? Hey! I'm not sure if this is the same model as the Yarmouth one. The new one. Hey! I'm playing that song from the Minecraft trailer. I can't. It's good. It's not as much airtime as I remember though, but it's more eject and floater than I remember. But
I remembered it to be biting.
Hey. And it doesn't do the thing with the wheel lowers down. Still goes.
I know, yeah.
Oh, it does there, yeah. doing the Sizzler, but the POV didn't work out. So I'll go back on there. Yeah, the caterpillar's definitely not here. I'm not sure what RCDB's on about. Oh dear. Yeah, on the database it says the caterpillar's here, but I certainly cannot see it, so I think they probably own it, but it's in storage, and it maybe appeared earlier in the season. But I'll definitely do a speedy coaster, I haven't done it for years. It's basically a little log coaster, but without the helix. I do like it. I've always said this, these are like so much more enjoyable than Star Flyers, because I just can't breathe on them. Apart the Twin Lakes one's nice though. I wish they were all like that, not very tall, and even if they were tall but they're, you know, spun around slower, it'd be nicer. Because, you know, you're not getting the views, you should be able to breathe on them as well. Whereas this, you just sort of get a little bit of force and you glide over the top. It's really nice. That long flume will be lovely. To show it's not a unique one anymore though. I know it's bigger, but it's not. It's just a standard one now. Everyone would have been head bashed on one of the smoothest rides. Hey. This is just nice so far, but oh, quick, rapid. Oh, hey, it's only taken a few seconds to get going. Oh. Oh, there's a force. See the path? Hey! Woo! The dunes. Oh! The seagull! It's getting forceful! That was supposed to be force, I imagine. Oh! Way! Plane! It's incredibly forceful. Oh! Way! There we go. Slowing down, I think. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! There we go. Oh! God! Oh! Oh! God! Oh! It's that bit there. Oh! Oh! Oh wow! That was... Oh! That was... Jesus Christ! That was a lot more than I expected. rattling. Interaction. Oh yeah, this is alright. That's the tag of the song, what's wrong with it? Let's go to this model because I never did ostrich stampede. No, it's SBF, it is the same as ostrich stampede. Yeah.
You know what? The last 2 days have been really lovely, right? And it has felt a bit holiday. But I don't know, coming to this place, this is what makes me feel like a holiday, you know what I mean? When you feel
Oh, okay, yeah, it's going full pelt there. It's just going to be a big drop, but they're not really big drops on this one. Oh. It's quite gentle, this one. Right, so I'm in the Crooked House. Wow. It's actually, because it's like an upside down house, but it's a soft play kind of thing, and it's very, very crooked. Yeah, I don't know if I'll do the breakdance, I'm going to be honest. That space, that was too much for me. I've started to realise that like, if a ride's fun, it's doing what it's supposed to. That was not fun. I honestly did not find it fun. Yeah, shame, because it was good. It's obviously good ride hardware, but nah. And it looks hit or miss. Like sometimes it's not actually as intense as that from off-ride. But God, I'm having to take it a bit easy now because the forces started really getting to me. There we go. I think this is it. It's not too long. There's not as much theming as I was expecting here, to be honest. But yeah, it's all right. Got these. Yeah, it was decent.
Oh, the front of the boat's a bit wet, so... Here we go! Oh! 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 Normally the little ones were worse than the big ones, so... Although they have got that cover over it, so... It'll be nice. Oh. Yeah, it's because of that shelter, so it all comes over here. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm a broken one. Oh yeah, they were both pretty equal, but I think the first one was wetter. Oh. Oh, he's spinning through off the bottom again. Oh. I'm actually glad for the rain. Yeah, some cars must spin from the top and others don't. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, that's on. Oh, there we go. This is big. Oh, oh, it's just wild. Oh, hey. Oh, no. Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! That was just painful.
with like the really tight lap bars. That they say like don't put your fingers there so don't get caught.
Is that the ones where we don't need to hold on in the
Yeah. Breen. But Breen's got rid of it. I don't, they had some maintenance issues with it.
Oh my god!
Oh. Oh. If the walls at the sides were higher, it'd be better, but... Oh. Yeah, I'm sort of spinning.
One person, maybe?
It's because it's locked until it gets to there, but some of the cars are in trouble, I think. Oh! Well, hold on.
Oh my god!
Oh!
Ow.
Oh. It just keeps going.
At least we're getting our money's worth out of our last year's credit. Oh!
Oh. Yeah, I've just left Ocean Beach. I could go back later because I have got the chance, but I don't know. I've just done everything. Didn't do the breakdance. That's the second time I've bottled a ride this year because of space, which too much. It's like it's too vigorous, and I don't know how many. Because I mean, I don't know if I'm getting more. I'm not getting more sensitive exactly because I can still go on. Like coasters, I haven't really changed my opinion on. But with flat rides, I think I've noticed more and more that I can only do once and that's it. But I don't know if that's because all of the examples I've had have always been rides I've never done in the past before. Like this, I know I've done this model, but never this one. And a lot of the time they're quite different. So, yeah, I think it might just be that. But I'm not going to do that again. I'm not doing that. If I come back, I mean, I don't know if it'll still be here because it's not actually owned by them, but I'm not going to do that again. It's just too much, and I don't know, because I mean, I'm not that sensitive, but if I couldn't do it, I don't know how many people could. And there was a kid who wasn't feeling great on there. I did see, not really a pleasant sight. I wanted to see one walking under a flat ride, especially one that swings out over the path. But yeah, they seem to just get the next cycle going really quick, and I'm surprised about that because they wouldn't normally do it. So yeah, I mean, honestly, I can't believe no one's well, someone probably has passed out on there because it's just too forceful. I don't think I could do it again. I'm not going to do these flat rides. I don't know if I'll do freakouts anymore because they can get really good. I'll just do gyro swings of certain manufacturers, and I'll do the K&G afterburners because they're all right. But yeah, that was enough, and it kind of put me off going on the breakdance, which is a shame. But I would do it if we were coming back on a different day. But it's a very quick visit. I'm only here for 4 days. But yeah, that is it. You could just see it through the trees there. The reason is because this is the park opposite. I have just missed the train because they're doing this. But there's a miniature railway which I'm going to do and include it because it's not worth its own video really. There is a nice park, but there's not really. I haven't got much time to do anything here, to be honest. But yeah, I could go back and do some stuff in there, but I feel like I've done everything I can really. I didn't do the Mike Fun Fair rides. They look again intense, and it would have been alright if I hadn't done space. But if I come back, I won't do space, and I'll be alright on everything else. Because I think I would have been fine on the breakdance, but it was just the fact that I did it after, and I was a bit iffy about it. But I've never felt that nauseous on a ride before, and I don't know if it is a concern that with coasters I'm fine, but it is a concern about going on like these flat rides, because things like Toxicators completely fine, top spins which you'd think could be really intense, boosters absolutely fine. This I just can't do it, even though most gyro swings in the past have been alright. So yeah, it was too much. I started greying out and feeling really kind of uncomfortable on there. So yeah, I don't think there's many people who are going to be able to handle that to me. But then it's different kinds of G-force at the end of the day. So there's probably some people who could do that easily, but then not do the breakdance. But I didn't used to be great on breakdances, but honestly, I think I'd be better on there than space, because I've got back into the spinning flat rides. But that G-force, it's that type of heavy G-force at the bottom of the gyro swing that's just too much. And on a big massive gyro swings, I'm fine. I hope, and I think I'll be fine on the one at Blackpool that's coming next year, because it's the same model as Maelstrom, just with different restraints. So it'll be quite a controlled swing, but that's just too much, and I don't know how many people will do it, but I don't know if there's many people who do it twice again. Like, yeah. But apart from that, I've actually really enjoyed it. It's just a shame that put me off, but going on certain of the rides. But yeah, the log flume, my favourite ride here is Zombie. I love a dart ride, and I don't get the snobbery to it. I did do the Sizzler, which was really good, nice vintage one, a bit of sideward force. Feels like the gondolas spin faster than the actual arms on there, because it's a vintage one. I don't know if that is the case, but the power of them is probably different, like the way that the energy's transferred through the arms, but so it's for the spinning of the gondola. But yeah, yeah, the log flume is also really good. The wave swing is really good. So I definitely come, but don't do space if you don't like that kind of ride, because I couldn't handle that. But yeah, honestly, the dart ride is really good, and I never got to do the old one, but it was awful. So yeah, this one's really good. It's not as good as the Southport one, but I kind of enjoyed it almost as much. And it's quite similar to Southport anyway. But yeah, right, I'm going to do this train now.
Try to stay quiet.